In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo using Leonardo AI. Editing images with Leonardo AI can be straightforward and quite intuitive, and I'll walk you through each step of the process to ensure you can follow along easily and achieve the best possible results. To begin, you'll need to access the Canvas editor. Start by navigating to the Leonardo AI platform and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, your personal feed will display all your uploaded images. Carefully browse through your feed and hover over the image you want to edit. You'll see an icon appear. It looks like a square with a pencil. Click on this Canvas editor icon, and your image will open in a new editing interface, ready for you to make your changes. If the image you want isn't in your feed, don't worry. You can still work with your photo by uploading it directly into the Canvas editor. Look for the Upload Image button within the editor, click it, and select the appropriate file from your device's storage. This will allow Leonardo AI to load your image, preparing it for editing. Next, we need to focus on the specific part of the image you want to modify. To do this, use the Select tool within the Canvas editor. This tool allows you to draw a box around the particular area you'd like to change. Essentially, you're defining the boundaries for the AI, specifying where it should apply its in-painting capabilities. Once you've selected the area for modification, it's time to apply a mask. Click on the Mask tool, which looks like a paintbrush, and carefully paint over the section of the image where you want changes to occur. Masking tells the AI exactly where to concentrate its efforts during the editing process. Now, let's set the editing parameters to fine-tune how your image will be altered. Look to the right toolbar, where you'll have different model options. If you're working with photographs, I recommend choosing the Absolute Reality model, which is particularly suitable for real-to-life image adjustments. Also, ensure that your canvas mode is set to in-paint. This is crucial for the kind of detailed work you're aiming to accomplish. Adjust the in-painting strength, according to how drastic you want the changes to be. Dragging this slider to a higher percentage means the alterations will be more pronounced. For variety, set the number of images to 4, allowing Leonardo AI to generate multiple versions for you to choose from. With your settings configured, the next step is to enter a descriptive prompt in the provided bar at the bottom. This prompt instructs the AI on what exactly you want modified. For instance, you might type, "Remove the extra fingers and smooth the background." Now, you're ready for the final step. Hit the Generate button and let Leonardo AI work its magic. The AI will process your request and, in a few moments, showcase several options for you to review. Carefully examine each result and choose the one that best fits your vision. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to edit your photos using Leonardo AI.